Okay, welcome back today. Going to be fitting the key safe and the importance of getting the right key safe. These key safes are secure by design. You can purchase them from key safe or get a reputable locksmith. Okay, here we have it. Should be open. Yep. These are fixings. Okay. These you don't need raw plugs. I'm right, to be honest with you, thanks.
You're alright?
Yeah. Right, it shouldn't take that long. Okay.
Famous last word.
Oh, don't. now you're tempting fate.
Loving the confidence.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely get there.
Do you want to need that?
No, I've got pads built into my trousers, yeah. Alright, thank you. Let me just check. 5. Yep. Oh, the battery's done. Swap it up. Going on that one as well. Let me just double check. Let's see, they say mounting, right? They say on here. Here we go. The 6mm screws. I'm sure it's a 5mm hole. You drill for these. So we're going to go into the brick. Cool. Moving up the whole length. One. these bits are multi-construction bits. That's why I wasn't using the hammer. Right, now actually, you know what? I'm actually going to use this to do the screws up. So I want to use a torque setting. Because I feel if I don't, it'll rip. It'll just thread the whole thing. Beautiful. Spot on. Probably need to crank up. Start with another tool. That's it. I ain't going nowhere. There you go. I'm going to give it a... Okay. Right. See the dust has got in there. There you get a nice little picture of it. There you go. Nice little key safe. Didn't take that long. Right, cheers. Thanks for watching.